Kundalini and solution to chronic fatigue. Can you see the sunlight? Sunlight is the biggest source of removing your chronic fatigue. Chronic fatigue syndrome happens to you in your Kundalini awakening journey, and most of the time you don't know the solutions for it. You have been suffering from chronic fatigue for years, decades, and you have no solutions. And I have the solutions, and that is why I am sharing with you what has worked for me and what has worked for my students. Right now I am in the Himalayas in Nepal, Pokhara region, and this is a place called Mithlang. And before coming to this place, I was having extreme level of chronic fatigue because of the absence of good quality of air in the Kathmandu region, and before that in the cities somewhere in India. Now the bad air quality added to my chronic fatigue, because bad air quality means that you are not taking good quality of oxygen, not taking good quality of prana, and it creates inflammation in the body. When you have too much inflammation in the body, then you suffer from chronic fatigue, and it becomes very difficult for you to take the intake of oxygen the way it should happen for good processing, oxygenation, and all the things that should be the function of the body, involuntary function of the body, to supply oxygenated blood to your cells. When oxygenated blood doesn't reach your cells, the carbon dioxide also remain trapped in the cells and they do not come out. The trapped carbon dioxide, in pranic terms the apana, create a condition which is similar to the condition before the rains happen. The clouds are trapped in the energy field and the fresh air doesn't happen. You cannot intake the fresh air because the humidity level in the atmosphere rises when there is trapped clouds, trapped smoke due to pollution and population. Now all of this contribute towards bad quality of air outside, and similar things happen in your energy channels and blood vessels. Your blood vessels go through vasoconstriction, which is a condition in which the oxygenation cannot happen because the blood circulation, the blood becomes thicker. Due to vasoconstriction, the blood vessels become thinner, and both these conditions aid to the problem of not having enough volume of oxygen to reach your cells. It also gives rise to, the inflammatory condition also gives rise to free radicals. Free radicals means the oxygen which cannot combine with or get exchanged with carbon dioxide to produce energy. These oxygen ions keep on traveling in your blood without getting exchanged with the carbon dioxide. So all these reactions lead to a condition in your body which is called chronic fatigue. This means that your neural pathways or the nerve centers start creating pain signals in your body, which may further lead to, the chronic fatigue may further lead to fibromyalgia issues. All of this I healed from all these conditions over a period of time, and still due to heavy downloads of energy, this condition of chronic fatigue happens when I am not in the high quality of air or a fresh zone filled with negative ions and filled with pranic content of air. Now let me tell you how to recover from this condition. First of all, I started walking. Even when I was in the cities, I started walking 5 to 7 kilometers daily continuously for 2 to 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. And that helped me a lot to be healthy even at the highest AQI. Then I started searching for forests and region which are rich in negative ions and prana, good quality of oxygen. Now there is limitation to which you will find such places in the cities. Then I moved to the mountains and I came to a place which is the green belt of the Himalayan region, the lesser Himalayan regions. So I am educating you where you can devote such time so that whatever breathing practices or intake of oxygen you take, prana you take, negative ions you take, it is aiding to your process of working on your health. The air quality in this region was also bad when I came, but now it has improved a lot and I can clearly feel the freshness as I walk. So today I walked from this hilltop down there in the cities. I will show you from this hill. I went on a walk, a hike kind of practice to that city somewhere. And even after walking so much, I was not tired. I was not exhausted. In fact, my energy boosted after doing this practice and the fatigue went away completely. I am more energetic than morning. When I woke up with too much of chronic fatigue. That happens when the prana in the air drops, especially during the cloudy atmosphere, cloudy weather condition. It was too much cloudy, still it is cloudy, but due to the walk I recovered from, and the breathing practice that I adopted, I will teach you that. You have to keep your mouth closed and keep your tongue, touch the tongue at the top of your mouth like this and close your mouth. Now why do this? This opens your nasal cavity and vocal cavity in the esophagus region from where the air movement happens. When you do this, now what is the next step? The next step I will demonstrate you. You have to breathe. For example, I am climbing high. I have to climb high there. So you have to breathe from the nose like this. Inhale and exhale from the nose naturally, but for at least 10 minutes or so. Don't speak a word. Do this practice and you will feel the difference it creates when you do it intermittently over a period of 1 hour or 2 hours. So I will just demonstrate to you. Technique is extremely simple. Inhale from the nose, exhale from the nose. Keep your tongue tight at the mouth and don't speak anything, don't talk during this period, and do it for 10 minutes and then continue it up to 1 hour with breaks of course, and have the natural walking practice in nature, feeling everything, engage all your senses to feel everything, and you will feel there is a massive change in everything that you are doing. You are feeling that you are actually able to feel the smell. Your 5 senses will activate. This has happened to me and I know it helps a lot. All these techniques will work even if you are in other countries and you have a place which is good resource of natural resources like this. Plants should be there, it should be spaciousness, not a city region. The sunlight should be there and you will feel that these are aiding to the process of improvement in your chronic fatigue. So have a walk with me and I'll come up with more such secrets later. Bye bye.